Dash of Life. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to send you a very big welcome. And if you're one of my 12-gallon cup drinkers, welcome back. Okay, I'm in between feedings right now. The cubs sat down to feed themselves. I had already made some tomato soup, so they decided to serve themselves that with some cheese and crackers. They're good to go. But like I said, I'm in between feedings, so I need to whip something up really quickly. And I just rummaged through the refrigerator and the pantry to see what I had. I had some stuff. I had this rotisserie chicken that I'm gonna be shredding up. I have some tortillas, a little bit of cheese, some stuff to make some enchilada sauce, well, as close to it as possible. But that's what I'm gonna be working with today. And let's see what I come up with. I need a bulk up, I need a hydrate, because this boy is gonna be hungry in just a few minutes. I know it, I just know it. He's sleeping good right now, but watch, when I take that first bite, he is going to start crying because he's hungry or needs to be changed. So I gotta do something on the fly. Okay, I think this chicken is shredded as much as I want to shred it. I don't want to waste any more time on that. On to the next thing. Well, as it turns out, I have just the right amount of ingredients to make entomatadas. So that's what I'll be making today. I'm going to open this can of tomato sauce, you know, the right way. There we go. I used to think I had to buy a special can opener in order for that to work. But nope, it was this all along. Turn on some heat. And again, I'm trying to do this quickly. I added my tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Some cumin. As it turns out, I am out of chili powder. Either I'm out or I packed it up for Colorado and it's somewhere I misplaced it. Assumed I had some here. But either way, I don't have any. Salt, pepper, I'm going to be mixing all of that up together and heating it up. All the seasonings you can do to taste. That's what I'm doing. Once that's hot, I can start using it, but let me get some vegetable oil and I'll make sure to put all of the ingredients in the description box below for you. I'm gonna heat this oil up because I'm gonna be dipping my tortillas, my corn tortillas in them just to make them pliable. I don't want them to get too hard or too crispy because then when I try to roll them up, they're not gonna work out very well. But let me put this up while that's warming up. I don't have any onions on hand or any peppers, so I'm just working with what I have today. If you have those extra ingredients, feel free to use them. You can sizzle them up real quick and then toss them in the sauce. Just whatever you want, like if you're gonna make an enchilada. But what I will do after I put my chicken in my tortilla and roll it up, I will go ahead and add some jalapeno and some carrots to it. While that's warming up, let me go pop this in the microwave so that it can be a little hot when I put them in the tortilla. And what do you think of my fashionable stickers? I'm a mom, and the cubs love to put stickers on me, it turns out. Didn't even realize that was there because we're just too busy being silly, or I'm feeding and they put stuff in my hair. I'm tired. They put stickers on me. But it's all good. And Brother Bear turned 1 month old today, so we had a little photo shoot today, and I will have to share some of those pictures with you. Oh, there goes the chicken. Let me lower this heat. I gotta keep lowering my sauce because I don't want tomato sauce flinging everywhere. Time to add my chicken. A little bit of cheese. Roll them up. I'm making a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Ooh, this is gonna be good for a lunch on the fly. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. One more. Little bit of cheese. Woo, hot.
Mom, keep doing it because your videos are great.
Thank you. Okay, spoon. Because what I'm gonna do is put some sauce on top. Then a little bit more cheese. And just put that in the microwave.
I'm here. I'm one of my top bars.
And there it is. Some delicious entomatadas. Now, wasn't that so quick and easy? I mean, it sure was. Ooh. Ooh, I hope I don't burn myself. Now that's some cooking I don't mind doing. Thank you for stopping by to cook with me. I have to replenish my electrolytes. Bulking up and hydrating. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed this little meal. And I hope you make it for yourself. As fast as it is, why not? Hope you learned something new today. Toodles.
This has been Mama Bear with a Daily Dash of Life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching.
To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist.
Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!